Everybody, it's Ryan. I'm going to give you an overview of this travel bag connecting set. So you basically can make a train out of all your luggage with these straps. This is by the company Vigorport. As you can see right there, Vigorport. So I'm going to give you a quick detailed explanation and overview of these travel straps for your luggage. And full disclosure, this company did reach out to me and said, Ryan, can you give a sort of an explanation, a little overview of our straps? But in no way whatsoever would these being provided to me affect this review. I'm just here to keep it real. So as you can see in this example, we have 3 pieces of luggage. Ideally, you would want to use this where all 3 pieces, or all the luggage you have doesn't need to be 3 pieces, but all the luggage has wheels on the bottom. So as you can see, it can just roll. So as you can see here, I've attached for this example 3 pieces of luggage. It's really meant for luggage that has on the bottom wheels. And so this can just be pulled almost like a little train. You can just pull all your luggage nice and neat. Very simple to use and quick to install. So if you're in an airport or traveling, you need to connect them all together. And this these straps are of a pretty high quality material. I was pleasantly surprised on how it's constructed. So you can see here you have one strap. This is your additional strap. That allows you to connect your second and third. I mean, I guess you could do a fourth, but it's really, in this example, going to be just 3 pieces of luggage. The material, these are a metal, this is a high quality metal fitting that kind of butterfly clips together. So you can see the metal fitting clips together like this and clips like this. And this is definitely really, I would say this is pretty well made. I was actually really surprised on the quality of this. These aren't just some plastic clips or whatever. This is definitely some high quality material. And you have 2. So this first one, looks like this. And it's meant to go around the initial one that you're gonna be probably putting your hand around like this. And so what you do is you put it around here, around this, pull that up. So then you have this like this, with this piece facing up. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this piece, put it under the next piece of luggage, lock that down, bring this up, adjust the size, clip it in place, tighten it down. Then you're gonna take, if you wanna connect a third to the second one, you're gonna take this extra piece. So then you're gonna connect the second and the third. So you're gonna put this through the handles, bring it around, match up the clips, clip it. And there's a Velcro strap here. I'm not really sure what that's for. Then you're gonna tighten this up. So this is all together. Then you have this extra strap. It does have clips to allow you to. So once you have these together, it does come with these extra, I call them like over. So once you have everything connected, you're good to go. But it does come with these clips so you can restrain all the excess straps. So everything has a nice clean design, goes like that. And this one's short enough, so there's another one for this one as well. And then you are good to go. Then it's as easy as unclipping, undoing. Hopefully this answers any question you have about this quality, which again is very high quality straps. These things are gonna have a hard time breaking. And how you put it together, how easy it is to put together. I hope this finds you well. We'll talk to you soon.